Hi, I'm Leighton here with Renzetti, and today I want to be going over the differences between your original Traveler from 1988 to the current up-to-date model here in 2023. I know a lot of you younger folks have probably had a Traveler for 20 or 30 plus years and never even had an issue with it. But I'm still going to go over the available upgrades from the 1988 model to the current up-to-date model. One of the biggest upgrades that we've made over the years is going from the turn knob style jaws to the cam jaws. The advantages of the cam jaws is that it's easier, quicker, and it'll hold the hook even tighter. And another major upgrade is this urethane O-ring. It's just a lot more durable and lasts a lot longer than your standard O-ring on your turn knob style jaws. Another major upgrade that we made over the years is the nylon rotary tension screw. So on the original Traveler, the only way to set the tension of the vise for the rotation are the back knobs here. Depending on how tight you have them against this head determines the tension of the rotation. And so on the current model, you still have that option in the back, but you also have this nylon screw here that makes it a lot easier and quicker to set the overall tension of the vise. A few of the minor upgrades that we've made are going from a 6-inch stem to a 7-inch stem. And then also the base now is heavier and even more importantly has a bigger profile, and that just adds stability to your tying experience. Well, there you have it. Just wanted to show you the differences and the dedication that we have here at Renzetti to always be improving our vices and to help your overall tying experience.